Neoprene is mostly chill, but still needs love and attention. We're going to tell you how to care for it. Neoprene can be hand washed with cold water and gentle soap. Gently massage out any stains, and once clean, reshape while wet and lay flat to dry. Do not machine wash your neoprene bag, as the hardware might chip and washing machines can generally be harsh. Creasing may occur if something heavy is laid on top of the bag. To remove creases, just use a steamer in downward strokes. If a harsh material like wool or denim rubs against the neoprene over time, pilling may occur. Use a fabric shaver to gently remove pilling as you would with a winter sweater. Be cautious if you're wearing denim or other dark fabrics because they can transfer onto lighter colored bags. Don't overexpose your bag to light, heat, or water, and don't rub the material excessively. Alcohol, acetone, and oil are really bad for neoprene, so avoid them at all costs. And lastly, always store your bag in a dust bag.